Hello everyone, this is Keith Jackson and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. In this video, we are going to pair the stem and leaf plot with the median. The stem and leaf plot is a diagram that neatly organizes a data set, while the median is just simply the middle number in an ordered set of data. All right, stem and leaf plots are good to pair with the measure central tendency, and they are the mean, median, mode, and range. And so in this case, we're going to take a look at a popular omelet sold at the breakfast house. So here is our scenario. Here are the number of orders for the bacon monster omelet in 8 weeks at the breakfast house. And so in week one, 346 omelets were sold. Week two, 344. Week three, 356. Week four, 369. Week five, 337. Week six, 378. Week seven, 338. And week eight, 386. We're going to put that data in the stem and leaf plot, knowing that when we look at the key, 39/2 really stands for 392. And so when we put those numbers in the stem and leaf plot, here's what we come up with. So we have 337, 338, 344, 346, 356, 369, 378, and 386. All these numbers fit right here. And guess what? They're already in order from least to greatest because the stem and leaf plot is a great tool to use. And so let's take a look at the median right here. And so we're going to put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Since they're already in order from least to greatest here, we could just copy them right over here. And so we have our numbers in order from least to greatest, as you see right here. But here is a problem. We have an even number set of data. We have 8 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's hard to find the middle number in this case unless you take the two middle numbers. And how do you know you have the two middle numbers? We have 3 above and 3 below. And so we're going to have to take these two middle numbers and add them together and then divide by 2 because there are two numbers that we're looking at. And so right here we have 346 plus 356. We're going to divide that by 2. 346 plus 356 will give us 702 divided by 2, which will give us 351. And notice that 351 in this case is 5 more than 346, while it's 5 less than 356, letting us know that 351 is the number in the middle. It is the median. Okay, you have been given quite a bit of information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at this diagram or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of how to pair the stem and leaf plot with the median. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.